Hello guys, I want to teach you how you can withdraw your money that is less than $5 from your Geegpay account. So for some time now, I have been trying to withdraw my dollars that is not up to $5. I was not able until I was able to maneuver this using the app. So if you want to withdraw any amount less than $5, you have to use the app. Don't use the um website. Here now is my the Geegpay website from Chrome, so you will not use it. So I'll have to go to Play Store to download this. Go to Play Store. When you go to Play Store, you have to type Geegpay for it to come and you will use it. So Geegpay is already installed, so that's why it's showing open. So that is how. So you can just download it. In case you don't have the app, you download it, then you open it. Okay, put your password and you will be directed to a place where you can convert your money. Here we are. So I have to convert the dollars to Naira first. So here you have to type the amount in dollars so that it will show you the amount you are going to withdraw in Naira, and the rate is 801 per $1. So here now you see that, I don't know, maybe that's how they put it. The dot here, the point is not working, so it will be best for you to type in Naira. Maybe you have used your calculator to multiply it by this 801 and know exactly how much. But I will not go back again, so I will have to do it here manually. So I will start putting in as money. It's a bit above 3,000, so I keep on checking until I get the right amount. So if it's much, you reduce it. If it's less, you add until you get. So I was able to get it at 515. Now is above, so I have to reduce to 10, and I got exactly $4.38. So here now I have to convert the money. I'll have to convert the money, see the amount I'm going to get. So conversion was successful, so I go back home. So here I'll have to send the money to my Nigerian account. So the bank transfer is my Nigerian bank account. So here I'll have to change this US to Nigeria. So this is amount that I have, 3,510 Naira. That's the amount I want, and that's the amount I want to be transferring to my Nigerian account. So I'll have to withdraw all of them. So I will send the money to my account. So they will ask you to put your password. So here I have to put my password. I have to put my password, and immediately the money was transferred. Wow. So here now is for me to just wait for some time and I will get it in my Nigeria account. So I will check the time that the money come to my account. So it is 1:25 now, so I'm going to check how long it takes for it to come. Okay, so before I even come out of the Geegpay app, the alert came in at 1:28. If you like the video, please subscribe and also follow our page on Facebook so that you get more of this kind of video. Thank you.